Healthcare is a right. Let their hearts beat.
Our top story tonight, the Texas abortion law goes before the Supreme Court. Good evening, I'm Deborah Knapp.
And I'm Aaron Wright. The justices raised questions about the controversial ban as they considered challenges to the heartbeat law. Eyewitness News anchor Sharon Coe is here. Sharon, no decision from the High Court today.
Aaron and Deborah, it's unclear how soon a decision will come, but we know today's hearing was fast-tracked, coming just 10 days after the court agreed to get into this legal battle. Today, a majority of the court appeared they would allow abortion providers to seek a legal challenge. Pro-choice advocates and protesters against abortion are watching the court closely. If you pass by the Planned Parenthood on Babcock Road, you'll find people outside the building, sign in hand.
I think that life is sacred.
They're with San Antonio Coalition for Life, a faith-based organization that has a goal to end abortion.
I pray that the Supreme Court leaves this law just to save babies.
Her stance was shared by a number of demonstrators in Washington.
We are glad to be here in support of Texas law, and we are seeing that it's sweeping across the country.
Abortion is healthcare. Healthcare is a right.
Critics of the measure also out to voice their side.
Women have certain rights, and one of them is with their bodies.
The law bans pregnancy terminations as soon as a fetal heartbeat is detected. That usually happens around 6 weeks into pregnancy. Today's arguments were not focused on abortion itself, but on how the Texas law is enforced. It lets private citizens file lawsuits against anyone who helps a woman get an abortion. Penalties for violating the law are at least $10,000. Conservative Justice Brett Kavanaugh showed concern this law could be used as a model for other states to restrict other constitutional rights.
And it could be free speech rights, it could be free exercise of religion rights, it could be Second Amendment rights if this position is accepted here.
Abortion providers and the Biden administration say the law was purposely structured to try to dodge federal review. The Texas Attorney General argues both providers and the U.S. Justice Department do not have the legal standing to sue. Today's hearing marks the second time the controversial law has come before the High Court. In September, the justices refused to block the law. Aaron?